Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So, class, in our last session, we were on the topic that is from chapter number 6, that was spellings and grammatical mistakes. So in the today's session I am going to start with another topic from the chapter number 6, that is using thesaurus. Okay, so the first of all I'll just write on the topic on the board, and all of you open your books at page number 56, that is using thesaurus. Okay, so I'm just writing the topic here. Chapter 6. This is chapter 6. Features in MS Word. So we will discuss the topic that is features in MS Word. Clear? So the topic that I'm going to start in today's session is that is using thesaurus. Okay? So the topic is using thesaurus. This is the topic, using thesaurus. Okay? So let's begin with the topic. So first of all, beginning with the topic, first of all let's understand the meaning of thesaurus. So what is the actual meaning of thesaurus? So in the technical language, the meaning of thesaurus is the collection of words in which there are synonyms and the antonyms. So they both are antonyms and synonyms are there. Okay, so this is a collection of group of words. So first of all, the meaning is given. Thesaurus is a list of words grouped together containing synonyms and the antonyms. MS Word provides a thesaurus through which you can find words to express meanings more accurately. Okay, so now here they have given a small explanation or the definition of the thesaurus. So which means, so thesaurus is a list of words grouped together containing synonyms and antonyms. So I'm just writing it down and then I'll explain it in detail. A thesaurus is a list of words. Thesaurus is the list of words grouped together containing synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms, S-Y-N-O-N-Y, synonyms and antonyms, A-N-T-O-N-Y-M-S, antonyms. So this is a list of words grouped together containing synonyms and antonyms. So thesaurus में क्या होता है बेटा? It's a, you can say it's a feature in the MS Word where you will get the antonyms and the synonyms of all the words or group of words. Okay, जहाँ पे आप उसको synonyms and antonyms that you can apply wherever you want, wherever you need it. So you can apply these synonyms and antonyms in the place of the other words that you are using. Okay, and those antonyms, so देखिए basically here you will get the antonyms, synonyms and the antonyms both. Okay, Okay, synonyms means similar meaning, antonym means opposite meanings. Okay. So in thesaurus you will get synonyms and the antonyms of the word that you are using, and you can make the changes in the word by using these synonyms and antonyms. Okay, and the feature that contains all these synonyms and the antonyms of the given word or the word that is being selected, so that is known as thesaurus. Clear? So this is the meaning of thesaurus. Now here they have said MS Word provides a thesaurus through which you can find words to express meanings more accurately. Okay, so this features is provided by the MS Word only. Okay, where you can find the synonyms and antonyms of the word. Okay, by selecting the thesaurus. Okay, and that synonyms and antonyms can be used for explaining the meaning more accurately. So whichever word you have chosen, you can choose that for explaining the meaning of any word more accurately and more clearly. Now here they have mentioned the thesaurus can be used to replace a word with one of its synonyms. So thesaurus we can use, okay, so we will use this thesaurus for in the place of the other word. Okay, so in place of a word that contains its synonyms or the antonyms. Okay, so basically thesaurus को हम किस लिए use करेंगे? We will use it for replacing it with the word that is one of its synonyms, not antonyms, only synonyms. So thesaurus is basically used for replacing the word. Okay, जो भी word है हमारा, so the word, okay, you can select a word and you can then choose the thesaurus feature, and there you can get the synonym of the word that you have selected. So here that how we can use thesaurus. So how the thesaurus will be used. So this is the main thing here. that हमें thesaurus को हम use कैसे करेंगे. So select the word for which you want the thesaurus. So there are the certain steps that is used for that we have to follow for using the thesaurus. So thesaurus को use करने के लिए we have to follow certain steps, and here they have mentioned the steps. So first of all, the first step is select the word for which you want the thesaurus. तो जो भी आपको word है जिसके लिए आपको thesaurus ढूंढना है, so first of all you have to select the word. Okay, so in the word whose synonyms you want, so first of all you have to select the word. Okay, so for which you are going to use the thesaurus. Click on review tab. So after selecting the word, then you have to click on the review tab. Okay, then as you click on the review tab, a certain window will appear that is known as thesaurus. So then you have to click on thesaurus. तो जो हमारे review tab review tab है, so as you click on the review tab, a ribbon will appear, okay, or some dialogs will appear, so in which you have to select the thesaurus option or the thesaurus button. The research task pane opens and displays suggested replacement for the word. Okay, so as you select the thesaurus, okay, so there again उसके बगल में ही in the beside this a research task will appear. एक pane आपके सामने appear हो जाएगा, which will contain all the synonyms for the word that you have selected. Click on the suitable word, so then you can choose any suitable words that you find fit according to the paragraph or according to your need. Okay, click on the suitable word. So as you click on the word, a pop-up menu will appear and click on insert. So as you click on the suitable word that you want to replace it with, so the pop-up menu will appear, so that will show the option, then click on, okay, so that a pop-up menu will appear that is containing the option insert. Then after that you have to click on the insert option. Okay, the word from the thesaurus replaces the selected word in the document. So as you click on the insert option, so the word that you have selected, okay, that will change into the word that you have selected from the thesaurus. And click on close button to close the task pane. After then you can click on the close button to close the entire task pane. So I'm just showing you the certain steps that you need to follow. So for using the thesaurus, so how you are going to use thesaurus. So first of all, select the word you want. Okay, so first of all, the word. So first option is select the word. Okay, now first of all you have to select the word. Second is click on review tab. The second step is click on review tab. This is the second step. After this, the third step is click on thesaurus button. The third is click on thesaurus button. Okay, so when you will click on review tab, जब आप review tab के ऊपर click करोगे, so here you will see certain options and this and thesaurus option will be from that is there from there only. क्योंकि उसमें से आपको एक thesaurus option दिखेगा and that will from there only. Okay, so as you click on the thesaurus option or the thesaurus button, Rishad, the research. So as we click here, so what will happen? The next is the research task pane opens and displays the suggested replacement for the word. So as you click on the thesaurus button, so what will happen? The various words that is containing the meaning. तो देखिए जो अब thesaurus option को जैसे आप बटन के ऊपर क्लिक करोगे, so it will appear, it will open a pane. Okay, a pane will appear, a pane will open in front of it, and then from there you can select. Okay. Okay, so from that review, this is as you select the thesaurus button, a pane will appear on the right hand side. Okay, that will contain all the desired word that is suitable or that is synonym for the word that you have selected. Next, after this, what will you do? You will click on suitable word. Click on suitable word. Then you have to click on suitable word. Then आपको उसको suitable word के ऊपर आपको click करना होगा. And when you will click on the suitable word, a pop-up menu will appear. So when you will click on the suitable word, a pop-up menu will appear, and then click on insert. Okay, that pop-up menu will contain the option of inserting. Then click on insert. Then you have to click on insert. Okay, and after you selected this, okay, so what will happen? So as you click on the insert option, so all the words, okay, वही word जो भी word आपने select किया, so whether it is appearing for the 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times in your document, so all that word will be replaced with the new word that you have selected from the thesaurus. Okay, and after that, the last is that you have to click on close button. Next is click on close button. Okay, and your doc screen will be closed. Clear? So these are the various steps that you will follow for using the thesaurus. Okay, so you can see it here as well. So I'm just showing it to you here. So देखिए, so this is your word document. Okay, so you have selected a word that is excuse. Okay, so suppose according to the book you have selected the word that is excuse. So now after selecting this word excuse, okay, that will be highlighted. Okay, excuse को आपने select किया, the word highlight हो गया. Okay, then you will go to this option, that is the review option. So as you click on the review option, okay, so certain various ribbons will appear in front of you. Okay, so after reviewing this, so this menu will appear. So from this review option you have to go there, that is thesaurus. Okay, then you have to, after review, you have to click on thesaurus. So as you click on this thesaurus, so this pane will appear on the right side of your computer screen. This pane will appear on the right side of your computer screen, and from there you can select the word that you want to change. तो जब आपको ये excuse जगह जो भी word जितने भी synonyms हैं, okay, that will appear here. Okay, so you can select the suitable word whichever you think that is suitable according to the paragraph or the content that you have written. So suppose you have selected the word that is known as reason. Okay, so यहाँ पे उन्होंने reason word select किया है. So then you have to click on this reason word, then you will click on this reason, and after you will select this reason option, then you have to click on this insert. Okay, okay, after selecting the suitable word, you have to click on insert. So as you click on the insert, okay, so जैसे आपने insert के ऊपर click किया, so this word excuse will change into another word, into the word suitable word that you have selected, that is reason. तो ये excuse से क्या बन गया? Reason. Okay, you can see it here. So the excuse से क्या बन गया? Reason. Okay, and that means that all the changes have been done, whatever you had made. And after that you have to click here, that is the close button. So this close button is used for closing this pane. Clear? This is known as, this is the thesaurus. So देखिए thesaurus is basically used for for selecting the antonyms and the synonyms for the selected words. Clear? Next you can see update your knowledge is given at page number 53. So let's discuss the point. You can press shift plus F7 key to use thesaurus. So in spite of going all this complete procedure or step by step procedure, okay, so for you can either select the word, okay, आपने word select किया, then you can directly press the key, that is shift and F7 together. तो word select करने के बाद you can just press the shift and the F7 together, and then the thesaurus will be selected. So that means this is the shortcut key for selecting the thesaurus. Next, you can press Alt plus R plus E to suggest other words with a similar meaning to the words you have selected. So now another shortcut key they have mentioned here, that you can press Alt plus R plus E to suggest other words for with a similar meaning to the words you have selected. Okay, so shift plus F7 is for the shortcut key for opening the thesaurus. Okay, another shortcut key is Alt plus R plus E. So you have to press these three together, Alt plus R plus E together. Okay, and what you will see the words with the similar meaning, okay, that you have selected. So you will get the similar meaning words for the words that you have already selected. Okay, so after selecting the word, you will press Alt plus R plus E together, and then you will get the word for the similar meaning together on your screen in the right way, and from where you can select the suitable words. Clear? Another update your knowledge is given at page number 52. So let's discuss it as well. So this is when a word you type does not appear in the dictionary, word uses, word underlines the word as misspelled, the word might be a term that you use regularly. If so, click add to dictionary so that the word stops underlining the word as a misspelling. ओके, तो देखिए अगर जो कल मैंने आपको मिस स्पेलिंग्स और ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स का करवाया था, स्पेलिंग्स एंड ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स इन MS Word. Okay, so sometimes what happens, some words you are already using but that is not in the dictionary. Okay, तो हो सकता है कुछ words, suppose you are using some name, okay, that is not in the dictionary but that is a correct spelling. So but that word will be underlined, कोई red lines under wavy lines underline होगा. So in that case you can add that word to your dictionary so that in future whenever you are typing that word, okay, so that will not appear below an red wavy line. ओके, तो आप उस लाइन को वर्ड को अपनी डिक्शनरी में ऐड कर लेंगे. तो वो अगर स्पेलिंग सही है सो इन द फ्यूचर वो स्पेलिंग्स जो कि आपकी गलती की तरह आपकी वेवी लाइन की तरह अपीयर नहीं होंगे. सो दिस इज बेसिकली दैट एडिंग अ वर्ड टू योर ओन डिक्शनरी इन योर लैपटॉप. Okay, and this is okay, and the spelling is correct, so it will not appear because red wavy lines, that is the what we call it, that is a sign of that the word is misspelled. Okay, मतलब word की जो spellings है वो गलत spellings mistakes हैं. But if you add that word into a dictionary, okay, so that wavy line will not appear again in the future. Clear? So this is from the topic that is using thesaurus. Now the next topic is finding and replacing text. So how you can find and replace the text in your MS Word document. So that we will discuss in the next session. So for today I am just ending today's session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.